Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, July the 16th, 2024, we have here 3 regular puzzles. 2 of them I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 1 puzzle is left. And it's the Jigsaw Sudoku, yes. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will continue with this third puzzle, a Jigsaw Sudoku. News of today. Well, we have Lucky Trump. There was in the weekend an assassination, and Trump has been shot, but only in his ear. Yeah, in his ear. So he has an hole in his ear. Anyway, I think he will win election, because with this, yeah, I don't think Biden will win, because all the people will vote for Trump because he has been shot. Anyway, let me see. The Jigsaw Sudoku, this will be number 8907. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits, should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. It's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, we need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle, rather it's a 0 stars or 1 star. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. For 1 star puzzle, faster than 50 minutes. Okay. Question: is this a 0, a 1 star, or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is: can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? I see here dual box. There, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. And here, I do not know, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Insufficient information right now. Next question: do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, I do not know in which order. Insufficient information right now. Next question: do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. The 1 is already given, so the other numbers should be 2, 3, and a 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember, it's rotated, this T shape. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay, only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 of this kind. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright? And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this duo box is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this duo box for number 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright, and now this box can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. And then these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, we have a double 2 there, so the only place left for 2 in this big square. In this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. How about the 2? These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can be a 3, we have a double 3 there. Can be 4, we have a 4 there. Can be 5, we have a 5 in the same area. Yet definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then let me see. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If you place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here in the same area. So not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. And it's connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 5. Okay. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. And this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated there the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and a 5, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. Well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then let me see. Well, 3 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. It's connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Well. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Need a 4 in this area. Well, we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. And I find out 2 numbers 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. Cannot be a 3, 2, or 1 star puzzle. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.